The purpose of my program is to create a target clicking game where the player tries to click the blue ball while it moves around the screen. The ball glides to random positions 10 different times, and the player earns or loses points depending on which color of the area of the target the ball is touching when clicked. If the ball is in the yellow area, the player gains 25 points. If it is in the green center, the player gains 50 points. But if the ball is touching the red area, the player loses 25 points. At the end of the game, the program checks the score and gives different messages depending on how many points the player earned. My code works by using if else in this part to check the player's score after the game ends. If the score is less than 0, the sprite says better luck next time. Otherwise, the sprite says good game. There's also another if statement that checks if the score is greater than 500. If it is, then the sprite says, wow, that's a lot of points. My program also uses if statements when the sprite is clicked. These ifs, right here, check which color area the ball is touching. If the ball is touching the red area, the score changes by negative 25. If it is touching the yellow area, the score changes by positive 25. And if it's touching the green center, the score changes by positive 50. The sprite also says the amount of points gained or lost for 2 seconds so the player can see what happened. So if we click the green flag and okay, and hmm, it said better luck next time. And if I were to change the if else by changing the condition from if score is less than 0 to if score is less than 100, the program would run differently because more players would see the better luck next time message, even if they are still earning some points. Another change I could make would be changing the code inside the if statement for the green target from change score by 50 to change score by 100. If I changed that, the player would earn points much faster and it would become easier to reach a very high score in the game.